So, given the fact that my house or home has been built on top of a sand pile, I have struggled for the last few years with respect to maintaining quality lawn. And the last, or I should say, the latest step that I have introduced into making my lawn better is a sprinkler system. Now, I suppose this sprinkler system, if I would have contracted with a professional installer, would have probably cost around, I don't know, maybe $2,000. However, I have implemented a solution that, believe it or not, is the total cost of $90. Yep, believe it or not, $90. And it comprises of this device right here, and it contains 4 sprinkler heads. And just to give you a demonstration of how this works, I'll go ahead and fire it off, and I'll manually start it. So automatically, this controller will start at 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 a.m., and it will fire off 2 of the 4 sprinkler heads. My entire yard doesn't need to be watered, or doesn't really have a problem. It's just a small portion about the size of a basketball court that's struggling, and so already you can see that that this first sprinkler has fired off. Actually, it's 2 of them. So this is the first one, and maybe you can see the second one working in the background there. And so these are 2 of the 4 sprinklers that are running, and with the automated timer, they will run for 10 minutes, starting at 6 o'clock in the morning. These are the first 2. And then after 10 minutes, these sprinklers shut off, and the next 2 sprinklers turn on automatically. You can see them working here. The first one is in the foreground, and the second one is in the background. And they're all controlled automatically by the controller that I showed you at the onset of this video. And that's it. Well, hopefully with this solution, we will turn this weird sand pile landscape into a solid bed of grass and a worthy lawn.